see you watching me, baby.
You watching.
It's all good.
It's kinda sexy.
I love it.
How you watching? You watching. I see your face.
I see your face. You wanna touch it.
Come to my place.
Come to the crib.
And let's discuss
Let's
it.
chop it up.
Tonight
you're gonna be a superstar, baby.
And let me sign you up.
Let's get into it.
How low can you go? How low can you go? Luda, she can go lower than I ever really thought she could. Face down. The top of your booty jiggling out your jeans, baby. Pull your pants up. I like it when I see you do it better than I've ever seen it done before. A lot of women drop it to the ground, but how low can you go? Lower than your mama's ever seen it in a lifetime. Never would have imagined it, not even in her right mind. Practice in front of that mirror, now you doing it on the dance floor. Mad cause I can't get with your chick, just show me how to dance.
Leave me alone. I need my privacy.